Welcome everybody, it's another episode of Cooking with Mara where we're gonna make healthy egg muffin tins. These are awesome because you can customize them however you want with whatever's in your refrigerator. But today I wanna use up some spinach and I have a variety of cheeses. So let's get started. The first step is to mix the cheeses and spinach together. The recipe called for frozen spinach, which I didn't have, so I'm using the fresh stuff that I had. It's really easy to wilt down. All you do is chop it up, you put it in a pan, and it'll wilt down to about this size. So I want to add this into my bowl, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of cottage cheese. Sounds a little weird in an egg dish, but cottage cheese gives that nice cheesy flavor, which we all love, and cottage cheese is packed full of protein. And because we can't have enough cheese, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of mild cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you have on hand. If you want to use Parmesan or sharp cheddar, whatever you like. We set the cheese and spinach mixture to the side, and now we're going to make the egg mixture. First, we want to add 1/4 cup of milk, and then we're going to crack 4 eggs. To prevent shells from getting in the bowl, you want to crack the eggs on a flat, hard surface and not on the edge of the bowl. Also, to ensure we don't get any shells in the bowl and in the mixture, we're going to crack it into a separate container. Once you look that it's not a bad egg and there's no shells, then you can add it to your mixture. Now you want to spice it up. The recipe called for cumin. I didn't have any, so I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and then about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I prefer fresh ground pepper. Now that I have everything mixed together, I'm going to combine them in a muffin tin. First, you want to spray your muffin tin. Next, you're going to take the cheese and spinach mixture and evenly spoon them into the muffin tin. You want to make sure that all the mixture goes into all 12 of the muffin tins. Now let's take the egg mixture and evenly pour it into each muffin tin. Make sure that you only fill it about halfway full because the egg will rise and you don't want it to spill over. And if you're like me and accidentally fill them too full, just take a spoon and make sure that they're all even. Once all the muffin tins are filled with the egg mixture, you're gonna go ahead and put it in an oven set to 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. You want to pull them out of the oven when they're fully cooked, but try not to cook them too long, otherwise they'll get rubbery. Let them cool for about 5 minutes before taking them out of the pan. You can eat them right away or store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. You can also freeze them and they should be good for about 3 months.